Watch how I turned this simple cake into a smooth, sharp-edged wedding cake using the paneling method. And if your cake keeps collapsing while stacking, you're probably making this mistake. Make sure you watch to the end because I will show you exactly why cake collapses and how to fix it. Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Let's go straight to the video. First, I am starting with my baked cake layers, but before layering, I will spread some preservative, which I am using brandy, on each layer to help preserve the cake from quick spoilage. I will also spread it on the side of the cake as well. Then, after leveling and trimming them to get a flat surface, fill each layer with some butter icing to make sure it stack my cake properly to make it stable. Make sure your cake is well aligned. This helps your final result looks neat. Now before I continue, I am inserting my cake dowel to support the upper tile and keep the cake stable. Here I am using the wooden support dowel and I measured it to make sure it is the size length of the cake. Here I inserted 2 into the middle. Before this, I already measured the size of the smaller cake that I'm placing on top, and this wooden dowel that I am inserting, I am also ensuring that it's going to fit in with the smaller cake that I'm placing on it. I mean, the smaller cake will be able to sit on top of those wooden dowels. Now here is the smaller wooden dowel. Now I am trimming with a plastic grater to also get a fine and even edge on both sides of the cake and also on top of the cake. Now that we have the smooth sides and the sharp edge, we can start coating. Next, I apply a thin crumb coat to lock in all the crumbs. After that, I smooth it out and let it chill so it becomes firm. Here is a tip: a well-chilled cake makes fondant work much easier. And finally, I apply my final layer of buttercream and smooth it properly. Now for the main part of this wedding cake, which is the paneling method. Here are the equipment we are going to use. We have the fondant smoother, 2 fondant smoother, tape rule or measuring tape, a sharp scissors or knife, and a roller. First of all, measure the sides of the cake and the top. Measure the length and measure the top as well. Here we have gotten what we want for the top of the cake. Kindly roll this out gently. Use your smoother gently to avoid dents and get that clean finish. Now flip to the other side. Please do this step gently. And then trim out nicely. Now for the side of the cake. Now I start by covering the sides, making sure each panel is smooth and well aligned. Measure and trim this side out nicely. Want to make smooth professional fondant at home without stress? I have a video for you on 2 easy ways to make fondant icing like a pro, perfect for covering your cakes and achieving that clean flawless finish. Check out the link in the description box below to watch the video now. And that is not all. I also have a cookbook packed with different cake recipes and cake decorating techniques you can try right from the comfort of your home. Whether you are a beginner or growing your cake business, this is for you. Also, click on the link in the description box below to download the cookbooks. Don't worry with any patch you have there, just keep using your fondant smoother to blend them together. Finally, you can then use white butter icing to cover these patches. Now apply some butter icing to your main board and then flip it back over. Take your time here. This is what gives that professional wedding cake look. Now look at that. Look at that sharp edge we have there. Now continue to smooth the top and the side carefully with the smoother, focusing on the corners. Now for the final stacking. Measure the length of the cake and then cut your dowel to that same length. Placing the big wooden dowel in the center. Are you loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural egg growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Now gently place the smaller cake. This cake will sit on top of the dowels, both the big and the small dowels, because we have measured the smaller cake before inserting the dowels. We then go ahead with that white design to cover up any space down there. Now you can continue to apply any design of choice. Be creative this time around. Just add any design you want to add to it, and then you have that basic wedding cake, which is also simple but unique. And here is the final result: smooth, clean and sharp edges using the paneling method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more cake tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have tried the paneling method before, and if you'll be trying it now. Trust me, it is easy with practice though. And here is the final look in church for our beautiful bride and groom. I am glad they loved the cake. Don't forget you can follow us on our display social media and let us become friends and advance together. See you in my next video.